Hey, I'm Ben from Ben Can Help, and I'm going to show you how to easily switch over to Claude from ChatGPT and get all of your memories and data out of ChatGPT so Claude knows what it needs about you. To do this, open up Claude.ai, make sure you're signed in, and also open up ChatGPT and make sure you're signed into the account that you've been using for the last few years so we can pull out your memories. Now, head over to Claude, and in the bottom left corner, you're going to look for your initials. Click on that and select Settings right here. Once you click on Settings, you'll see that there's a button called Capabilities on the left side. Click on Capabilities and you'll see this new feature called Import from Other AI Providers. Bring relevant context and data from other AI providers to Claude. We'll give you a prompt to fetch those memories. So go ahead and click on Start Import. It's going to give you this really long prompt that you can copy. Then go over to ChatGPT and make sure to set your thinking mode by clicking on ChatGPT 5.2. Then select this, turn it on to thinking mode where it says thinks longer for better answers, and paste in the prompt. Once that's ready, go ahead and click enter and let it load. So we can see now ChatGPT is done with my request. But you may notice as you scroll down that the memories aren't fully correct. And if this has happened to you, there's a really easy fix. For example, mine says Ben has a 7-year-old son. I don't have any kids yet, none that I know of. And so I'm just going to copy this whole thing and make slight edits as I import into Claude. So make sure you hit the copy button here in the top right on ChatGPT. Then we're going to paste the entire memory details. And if you want, you can read through this. So I'm going to just erase this line and then go ahead and click on Add to Memory. Once you do that, it'll take just a little bit of time for Claude to process everything that ChatGPT knew about you into Claude. And now when you have conversations, it'll have the context that it needs. It's really that simple. If you have any questions or need any help on AI, contact me, ben@bencanhelp.com. Thanks.